Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I want to help and guide you on how to fix and bypass YouTube anti-ad block detection in easy way. So make sure to watch this video until the very end so we can't miss any steps in this process. Now let's jump into the video. Are you getting this pop-up like this shown in the screen on YouTube? YouTube is telling you to disable your ad blocker, then here what you need to do. The first thing we need to do is open your web browser and search on this site, search for ublockorigin.com. And then in here, click Get uBlock Origin to download and install it. Add to your browser extension. It is free and available to all major browsers like Firefox, Chrome, Opera, Edge. Once you get it, open the dashboard on your web extension or Google extension of uBlock Origin. Okay, this is the dashboard. As you can see, make sure you click on the filters list tab right here and then tap on Purge All Cache. Once you've done that, click on Update Now button. This is gonna update all the filters for uBlock Origin. And as you can see, it's updating now. The update is finished. Now you have the latest version of uBlock Origin. And you have the latest version of all the filters. Now the next website you will be browsed is this website right here. This website basically tries to match the latest version of uBlock Origin and the filters list to the latest version of the YouTube anti-ad blocker detection script. If it says yes, then you are good to go. You can safely watch YouTube videos without ads. And that's it. So before we end this video, please hit like, share, and subscribe if you are new here.